What's going on, boys and girls? How y'all doing today? It's a Monday evening, and you remember I made that pizza, that shrimp pizza on Saturday. We had all those vegetables left over. I said I'd probably make some type of casserole with it. So I'm going to do a breakfast casserole. This is going to be a really quick recipe that I'm going to show you, and you guys may want to may want to try it at some point in time and see how you like it. But you know, I love breakfast. I mean, I've always loved breakfast. I love eggs. So this is a breakfast casserole. Watch it and have fun. Peace. All right, folks, I am making this up as I go. Of course, we're going to start off with a dozen of eggs. We're going to have 16 ounces of that's cheddar cheese. You can use any type of cheese you want to. Now, I didn't have these mushrooms for my pizza the other day, which I should have used the mushrooms, but I didn't. Had the red bell peppers. We got the cabbage, got the zucchini, got some of the onions in here. We're going to add another onion because I like onions. A little bit of Philadelphia cream cheese. We got some sausage patties. You can use some ground sausage if you want to. I had these in the freezer, and I just kind of thawed them out real quick. And we got about 10 slices of bacon and 5 slices of bacon and 5 slices of hog jowl right there. Just going to make a real good addition. We're going to go ahead and cook the bacon first for about 20 minutes on 400 degrees temperature in the oven. Alrighty, so I've chopped up my vegetables here, and I've chopped up the sausage. I did it in this little hand chopper right here, guys. I didn't want to go through the whole thing. I mean, you just want to get it kind of, it's a rough chop. If you look at it real carefully, they're not all in individual pieces, and they're not all the same size. So then we're going to saute this right here for just about 5 minutes until they're nice and soft. Alrighty, so we're just going to add our vegetables in here. And just stir those around till you get them nice and soft and glistening. Because you're going to cook a lot of this. You don't want to do a whole lot of cooking in the oven. So you're going to cook this partially in here, or mostly. The sausage is already cooked. So we're just going to stir this around, and we'll come back once it's nice and soft and delicious. Alrighty, we've got our 12 eggs cracked. We're going to add about 2. I didn't mention this before. We're going to add about 2 tablespoonfuls of mayonnaise. This is just something to make them a little bit more fluffier. I didn't use this before, but I've seen somebody make a recipe like this before. We wipe this off here. And we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of sour cream as well. And actually, we're just going to finish off this sour cream. Now we will add the spices once we get everything mixed in here, y'all. We're just going to mix them up together, whip them. Get those things whipped real well. And we'll come back once they're whipped real well. Alrighty, we've got our bacon cooked for about 20 minutes. Actually, it took about 25. And what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to take, we got this cooked so it's kind of crunchy. And we're going to take about 6 slices of it and crunch it up, or cut it up and put it into the casserole. And then we're going to put the final 4 on top of it, just for the appearance of it. Alrighty, we've let most of our stuff cool down. I think all of it cool down. We're going to add it to here. We'll put our vegetables in here. And I know some of you are saying, oh, I wonder how that cabbage is going to taste in there. Well, if you like cabbage, you know, don't knock it till you try it. I've had cabbage with eggs before. It's delicious. I had to laugh because my little sister says I say it's delicious a lot. We're gonna add our sausage into here. We're gonna add our crushed bacon in here. Okay, now we're going to mix all this stuff in together. Get it nice and mixed. Now is when we can add some spices too, guys. So we're going to get just Tony Chachere's. And you can add whatever types of spices you want to, but we're going to add this Tony Chachere's because it's just a really good all-around spice. It's got everything in it. And here comes the sneeze. You know the sneeze is coming. I'm going to try to do it off camera, though. Yeah, boy, that was a real good sneeze. And we're going to add our cheese to this. And this is grated cheese right here. You can buy the packaged cheese if you want to. But I grated this. I had a pack of cheese and I grated it, actually. Sometimes it melts a little bit better. Now we want to save some of it to go on the top. Again, going to mix all this in. All right, now we're going to add our eggs. Just put the eggs all over it here. Right. Mix that in thoroughly, just so that it spreads out real well. And then we're going to even it out. And then we're going to put the cream cheese on it, y'all. This is going to go in an oven about 400 degrees. I want to make sure those eggs are distributed evenly. 400 degrees for about 30 minutes or until all the eggs are set. Maybe more, maybe less. Now I put the cream cheese up there in just different little locations, just so that you'll get a bite of the cream cheese with every scoop. Because this is going to be a breakfast meal that's going to last for quite a while. This is probably about 6 breakfasts right here, so it's going to be a good little thing. So we're going to pop it in the oven and we'll come back once it's done. Alrighty, guys, that's been about 25 minutes and that's set like it should. We're going to cook it for another 5 minutes or so. I'm going to add some more cheese to it. I thought it would cook a little bit longer in this cast iron pan, but it did real well. You see how the cream cheese blends in with it. So again, now all we're doing now is just the finishing touches. This is done. We're going to add our bacon. This is just going to make it look good, y'all. You want your stuff to look good. So let's see, that's a piece of bacon there. We're going to put a piece of pork belly there, a piece of bacon there. Let's move that pork bacon. And then we're going to put pork belly right there. All right, then we're going to cook that for a little bit longer. And we'll come back and let you see the finishing touch. All righty, gang. Look at the finished product. Does that not look good? That's going to be enough eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But I'll save it. Like I said, this will be at least eight meals right here. 6 to 8. Just depends on how I make the portion sizes. And it's fairly healthy. I guess the cheese makes it not so healthy. But all the vegetables on the inside of there, guys, are loaded with protein and loaded with good carbs and fiber and, all the vitamins and nutrients. Maybe the pork, you could say whatever you want to about the pork. I like pork bacon. But again, you don't have to fix yours like this. You can put turkey bacon on yours. You can put beef bacon on it. I just think the regular pork bacon really enhances the flavor. So thanks for watching the video. Let me know what you think. And you guys have a great evening. Peace.